Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're ready to begin. Open GarageBand and tap the plus to create a new song, then pick a template or empty song so you control every layer. Set tempo, key and time signature now because that defines groove and tuning. Enable the metronome so your takes lock to the beat. Choose a touch instrument or the audio recorder depending on whether you'll play virtual keys or record audio. Once done, glance at the tracks view to confirm your first instrument is armed and visible. You'll record the core parts next. Arm the track you want, tap record and use count-in if you need a cue because that prevents rushed entries. After a take, add loops from the loop browser to fill arrangements or record another live track. Layering builds a full mix. Edit regions by trimming or splitting and apply quantize to tighten timing. Make level and pan adjustments per track so each part sits correctly. Once stacked, play back to check balance and arrangement flow. You finish by mixing. Add reverb or compression to individual tracks and tweak the master volume to avoid clipping because small changes improve clarity and presence. When satisfied, go to My Songs, select Share and export the song to files or music so you can send or upload it. If something goes wrong, here's one tip. Check device mute, volume, and microphone permissions. If still silent, close and reopen GarageBand or recreate.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.